Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Welcome to Honeoye Commons, the premier business complex of Honeoye, located on Route 5 and 20 at the north end of the lake.
This is an amazing opportunity for your business. So let's take a tour.
Suite 9 has exceptional business space with over 1,500 square feet, with an expansive main office area with incredible potential, and 3 separate spacious offices, including a conference room, plus a storage room and bath.
Honeoye Commons is a newer, well-established commercial development with substantial parking and long-standing businesses like CVS, Subway, and UR Medicine. With a prime location and high visibility on Route 5 and 20, located at the north end of beautiful Honeoye Lake. With easy access to Rochester, Canandaigua, and the entire Finger Lakes region.
Could you imagine doing business here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of Honeoye Commons on Route 5 and 20.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home, waterfront, and commercial specialist worldwide.
Cheers to doing business here!